Hi, welcome to OnceHub videos. I'm Deepak from the OnceHub team. In this video, I'll show you how to add availability for specific dates in the OnceHub profile and why this feature is such a game changer. So, sometimes your usual hours don't fit. Maybe you are working a weekend or opening extra slots for an event. So, instead of changing your entire schedule, you can easily add availability for specific dates. This keeps your calendar flexible and accurate. Alright then, let's jump into the steps. So log into your OneSub account, click the profile icon in the top right corner and select schedule meeting availability option. Go to the date specific overrides and click add date override. Select the date that you want to edit and add the time slot when you are available. Once all done, hit apply and that's it. You have just set your availability for specific dates in OneSub. Quick, easy, and super useful. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more tutorials on our channel.